Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and verifying the circuit is dead. This protects you and the bulb. Once done, inspect the bulb base and fixture for compatibility and wattage limits so you don't overload the fitting. Make sure the sensor faces the expected motion zone and note the mounting height because angle and height affect detection range. While you prepare, keep the original bulb and instruction sheet nearby in case you need reference or revert quickly during first testing. You install the bulb and turn power back on, giving it a short warm-up so the motion electronics initialize. Then adjust sensitivity and time delay controls. Lower sensitivity if pets trigger it, increase for larger areas. Set the ambient light threshold so the bulb stays off during daylight. Walk test from different approach angles and distances to map the detection zone. If coverage misses areas, tweak orientation or trim objects blocking the sensor. Repeat tests. You finish by locking settings if available and documenting the sensor angle and time delay for future reference. Test it through several on/off cycles and at different ambient light conditions across the next day to confirm reliability. If you see false triggers, reduce sensitivity or change the bulb's aim. If it fails to activate, increase sensitivity and retest. If problems persist, verify wiring and fixture compatibility. Try another bulb to isolate a faulty unit, and consult manufacturer troubleshooting steps or replace the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.